Yo, what's up everyone? If you're a student or teenager who's tired of being broke or always asking your parents for cash, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you real ways to make money as a teen. No scams, no fake get-rich-quick stuff. Just legit ways to start earning today. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss tips like these. If you can design, write, edit videos, or even just type fast, congratulations, you can freelance. Fiverr and Upwork let you offer your skills and get paid for them. Start with small jobs and build your way up. I made my first $50 editing a 30-second TikTok video. True story. Are you good at math, science, or even English? You can tutor younger students online and get paid hourly. Sites like Wisent, Preply, or even just promoting on Instagram works. There are sites like user testing where you get paid just to test websites and give your feedback. It's basically being paid to browse. If you like kids or animals, this is a goldmine. Put your name out there in your neighborhood or use apps like Rover. Go to thrift stores, garage sales, or check out Facebook Marketplace. Buy stuff cheap, clean it up, and resell it on eBay or Depop. It sounds small, but people are flipping shoes and making hundreds. If you're creative, try Etsy. Whether it's custom drawings, friendship bracelets, or digital prints, people love handmade stuff. Yeah, it takes time, but content creation can become serious money. If you're consistent, brand deals, AdSense, and affiliate links start to roll in. Talk about something you love. Gaming, books, skincare, anything. Grow a small following, and you can get free products or sponsorships. Instead of scrolling TikTok for 3 hours, learn coding, copywriting, or digital marketing. You don't need college to start freelancing or even working for a startup from home. There you have it. 9 legit ways to make money as a student or teen. Whether you want quick cash or you're building towards something big, just pick one and start. You don't need to do all of them. Most people wait for the perfect time. But trust me, the best time to start is now. Comment below which one you're gonna try first, or if you have your own hustle, drop it so we all can learn. And again, hit that like button if you got value from this, and subscribe for more ways to level up as a student.